Hi, in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to increase the speed of your store so that search engines and your audiences feel comfortable in order to browsing your site or in order to rank your site. So the first thing you must focus on to limit the apps. Actually, the third-party apps install a code or integrate themselves with your Shopify themes, and there are the big chances to reduce the speed of your Shopify store. So the first thing you should be focused on that is to limit the apps, uninstall the unnecessary apps, and try to reduce to install the third-party apps. The second thing is to reduce the code optimization. Do not try to optimize the code if not necessary. If necessary, you should put the code in such a way that it should reduce the processing time. So if you are well aware about code, you should select a developer that know how to produce a fast code. So theme code customization plays an important role in reducing the Shopify store speed. Now the third thing is to use the recommended theme from the Shopify. If you use some third-party paid themes, then there is a chance to reduce the speed of your store. So you should buy the theme that have fast speed, and you should hire a developer for resolving these issues regarding theme. Now the fourth thing is to control the media. Unnecessary pictures, high resolution pictures, long videos, try to reduce these videos. In this way you can reduce the speed of your Shopify store. So try to minimize the images, minimize the videos, and try to reduce the high resolution images. So these are the 4 ways to reduce the speed of your Shopify store. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.